A very warm welcome to the another video from Hotel Mehman Tutorial. Today's topic is windows and we will discuss about the different types of window available and window treatment. So let's start the presentation. The objective of this presentation is twofold. After going through this presentation, you will be able to identify different types of windows available around us. Number two, you can also describe and identify the different type of window treatment. So we will start the presentation while describing the functions of the windows. Usually window serves two main functions. Number one, windows let air and light come into the room. And number two, windows also show the interest of involved architect. Now let's move towards the structure of a window. First one is lintel. Lintel is the broad wood strip placed at the top of the window. Frame. Frame provides structure to a window. Zam. Zam is the inner part of the frame. Glass. Glass is also known as window pane. Sill. Sill is the place where window rests. Grills. Grills provide protection to the window panes as well as the resident. Mullion. Mullion are the broad strip of wood or metal which divide the window pane. Sash. Sash are the narrow strip of wood and metal which further divide the window pane. Head. Head is the raised part of the frame. Now we will go through the types of windows. The first picture is about the double hung window. In double hung window, the sash can be slided upward or downward depending upon the requirement. Second one is casement window. Casement window swings in or out, and with the help of a crank we can open or close the window. The next window is sliding casement. This window consists of a pane of standard glass generally set in an aluminium frame. They operate horizontally. Bay window. These are three-dimensional windows forming an alcove outward. The inner space can be used for sitting purposes. Next are awning windows. These windows are hinged at the top and open outward at an angle. Picture windows. This window consists of one large fixed pane of glass. They are meant for providing light and a view essentially. Next is bow window. These are made of a number of windows and each window has smaller window within. This type of windows help to reduce the intensity of the sunlight as a large glass pane is covered by a little woodwork. Corner window. In corner window, two identical windows on adjoining walls meet at a corner in this type. Corner windows can be treated as one unit or function separately. Next comes the clerestory windows. These windows consist of a strip of small windows and it is set high on the wall. These are usually seen in the basement, bathroom and some bedrooms where greater privacy is desired. Next is louvered or jalousie windows. These windows consist of narrow slats of glass that open all at the same time by turning a crank. Next is arched windows. These windows are curved at the top at the time of the construction. Second one is fanlight windows. These windows are in semicircular above a doorway or main window that spread outward like an old-fashioned lady's fan or like slice of a pie. Next is window wall. In this type of window, a wall made almost entirely of windows with a nice outer view. Second one is transom window. A small window is placed just above the door frame. It may crank open for ventilation or have decorative glass. Next is dormer windows. As seen in the picture above, This window projects through the surface of a sloping roof. We can use as a window seat. Second one is French door. In this type of window, two doors with multiple small windows. Window extend the full length of the door. The next window is skylight. This window is installed in the ceiling and we usually do not provide any window treatment to this type of window. The other one is rose window. This window has large circular shape with traditional design. It has stained glass segment that are divided by spokes. It resembles petal of a rose. Now we will proceed towards the window treatments. Window treatments provide the beauty to the windows and they also control the basic functions of the windows. So let's start with the window treatments. Now the question arises why we have to go for window treatment. So there are many reasons. Number one, window treatment is used to make the window attractive from both inside and outside. Window treatment create focal point in the room. Window treatment also provide privacy. They are also used to control the light. Window treatment can control the air circulation and temperature by insulating fabrics. Window treatments can be classified in two types. Number one, soft window treatment. It includes curtain, swags and valances. Number two, stiff window treatment. It includes blinds, shutters, shades and screens. So let's start with the soft window treatment. Soft window treatment contains curtain. Curtains are further classified in two types, heavy curtains or blackout draperies and second one is sheer curtain. Sheer curtains are also called glass curtain and net curtains. They are made of unlined soft fabric or lace. They are made in variety of length. Sheer curtains are used behind heavy draperies or on their own. Next, we will discuss about the second category of curtains, that is heavy oblique blackout curtains. They are made of heavier fabric than sheer curtain. They are usually lined and go all the way to the floor. They are often found in more formal rooms and they are traditionally made with pinch pleats. Now we will discuss about the styles of the curtain. These styles apply for both the curtain, whether they are blackout draperies or sheer curtain. The first one is tie back. In this style, the curtain panel is pulled back from the window with a cord, fabric or hardware. Second one is crisscross. This type of style usually applies for sheer or lightweight curtains and the curtain cross each other and they are pulled back at the side. There is another variety of crisscross. This is called Priscilla. In Priscilla tie back always have ruffles on the sides. The next style is cafe or tire curtain. In this type of style, fabric panel hang in tires. They usually cover the bottom part of the window. The top section is shorter and it allows light in while keeping some privacy. This style is used for casual look. The next soft window treatment is valance. Valance is a small curtain that is placed at the top of a window. It may be used with curtain, drapes or alone. It also hides the drapery or curtain hardware. Second one is cornice. It is like a valance but it is constructed of wood. The wood is then padded and covered with a fabric. The next soft window treatment is swag. As you can see in the first picture, the blue swags. Swags are softly plaited fabric hanging in a curve across the top of a window. Second one is scarf. Scarf is a soft fabric gracefully draped over curtain rod with no sewing. Now move towards the curtain pleats. Different types of pleats used by the customer for decorative purposes and according to requirement. You can check in the picture. Number 1 is ripple fold, second one is tailored pleat, third one is pinch pleat, fourth one is inverted pleat, number 5 grommet, number 6 goblet, number 7 cubicle, and number 8 is rod pocket. The drapery hardware includes different types of rods, brackets, and hooks. Now we will discuss how to measure the curtain. So there are some basic points. Number 1, install all hardware like curtain rods, hooks before measuring the furnishing. Drapes should fit the sporting device, or you can say hardware, rather than the window. Number 2, use steel measuring tape for accuracy. Number 3, two basic measurements should be taken. Number 1, finished length and finished width. Now we will discuss the second classification of window treatment, that is stiff window treatment. And under this stiff window treatment, first of all we will discuss about the shutters. So shutters are vertical units that are hinged together to open and close like a folding door. Number 2, they are constructed of wood or synthetic material. Number 3, they are used with or without the curtains. The next step window treatment is shades. Here we will discuss about the two types of shade. The first one is roller shade. As you can see in the picture, these are made of fabric or vinyl which is wrapped around a spring rod. They can be pulled up and down to the desired length. They block the unwanted light and they create informal look. Second one is Roman shade. They form a series of pleats or folds when drawn up. The next stiff window treatment is about shade. So there are different type of shade. Number 1 is Australian shade. These types of shades has rows of scallop from top to bottom. Number 2, pleated shades. They are made of fabric or paper with an accordion design. Number 3, balloon shade. They create a puffy look when pulled up. Now we will discuss about the blinds. They also come under the stiff window treatment. Number 1 is Venetian blind. They are horizontal slat that can be tilted, raised or lowered. They can be made of metal, wood or plastic. Second one is vertical blinds. Vertical slats can be tilted and slide to the sides. They usually extend to the floor. The last stiff window treatment is window fill. They are applied to windows to reduce effect of sun's rays that includes heat, fading and glare. They also provide some privacy and beauty to the room. Thank you so much for remaining with us throughout the video. If you found the information useful and you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel to remain with us for further update of similar videos. Thank you so much once again.